Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you the Varnado electric fan. It's 46 watts and it really packs a punch. It's a very simple setup. It just has three speed controls so you can pick the speed that fits your needs. I think it's very stylish and it's small and compact, which I like because I take it on trips. I really like it because you can angle it all the way to the ceiling. So if you don't want the fan blowing on you, you can just turn it up and it'll circulate the air above you, which is really nice. The fan brings in a lot of air. It has a vortex air circulation system that really effectively moves the air through, but it does collect a lot of dust. So it's super easy to clean. All I do is take a wet paper towel and just wipe the back and the sides, and it's ready to go again. I've been using this fan in my office, which is a 10 by about a 10 by 12 room, and it works really great. But it's just nice to have air circulation, even if you're in a larger area. It really moves the air around due to the circulation system. The noise level on one is really good. It's pretty quiet, and it just gives a slow hum in the background. But if you get up to three, it can become pretty loud. I like to have background noise, so number one is perfect for moving the air without really making too much noise so that you can't work. So it's just a great fan. It's multi-directional. You can set it at different angles and it's super easy to set up. All you do is just take it out of the box and plug in. So I would highly recommend this if you're looking to move the air around in a smaller area.